Audio video clear? Please mention. Okay, I'll start now. Just a minute. Please invite all of your friends. Let more people join the session. So in this session, we will be discussing about the most important questions from physical science and earth science paper. Physical science and earth science दोनों का common question paper था general aptitude section के लिए. वो common question paper का discussion होगा now. So all students who are preparing not only CSIR-NET exam for physical science or chemical science, सारा streams के लिए ये lecture common है. So please invite all of your friends to be part of this lecture. Let more people be part of this initiative and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss any of our future updates. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, so for the new people, more details of me and my classes I will just mention in the next 5 to 10 minutes. After that we will start the session. So my name is Christy Varghese. I have trained more than 2 lakh aspirants for General Aptitude section in the last 10 years. More details of me you can see here, and this is the bestseller book I have written for CSIR-NET. If you are preparing for CSIR-NET and you want a printed study material, you can find it in Amazon and Flipkart. These are the other books I have written, and the courses we have started 2 new courses for GATE General Aptitude. One course is starting today 8 p.m. September 11. That is for GATE General Aptitude, a complete course for GATE General Aptitude with complete theory, topic wise previous year question solution, including the last 2024 GATE exam questions also. And इसमें live doubt clearing session भी होगा, verbal and non-verbal दोनों part cover होगा. That means everything you need to secure this 15 marks of out of 100. उसके लिए ये ट्रेनिंग होगा, एंड फ्लैश कार्ड का रिविजन्स होगा, 100 आवर रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस. कोर्स का वैलिडिटी टिल योर गेट एग्जाम होगा, 2025 गेट एग्जाम. शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स एंड एग्जाम हैक्स का वीडियोस लेक्चर्स भी होगा इसमें. प्रैक्टिस वर्कशीट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट विल बी प्रोवाइडेड आफ्टर ईच क्लास. कोर्स विल बी इन इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी, एंड यू कैन एक्सेस द क्लासेस इन मोबाइल एंड लैपटॉप. The timing of the live class is 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Recording you can watch any time in your subscription period. ये कोर्स के साथ फ्री ऑनलाइन स्टडी मटेरियल्स मिल रहा है, 100 एक्सक्लूसिव फ्लैश कार्ड, 50 टॉपिक वाइज क्लास नोट्स, 60 टॉपिक वाइज क्लास नोट्स, 60 प्रैक्टिस वर्कशीट्स एंड टेस्ट सीरीज. मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए ये नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकता है. Otherwise, download this mobile app, visit our website for more information, or check the description of this video. There also you can find more information about this course. And another course is CSIR-NET course, which we started 2 days back. इसमें complete course for CSIR-NET General Aptitude है. Everything you need for CSIR-NET exam is for General Aptitude section is covered in this. For all the streams, this course is common. ये course भी English और हिंदी दोनों language में है, और 66 live lectures, 100 hour video recording, practice worksheets, mock test, video solutions, everything will be there in the course. Demo videos also are freely available, so download our mobile app and visit the course page for more information. इसमें complete theory of CSIR-NET General Aptitude section, topic wise PYQs including the latest exam question paper, exam hack, shortcut method, speed matrix का lecture भी होगा, helpful for other exams also to an extent. And why this course is different, or how this course is different from other course. This course, whatever be your mathematical background, you can still learn completely, because from the base we will be discussing, and how to unlearn the by-hearted formula and relearn it in a proper way. That will be focused. And problem solving skills and time management skills, this will be on focus, because many people, this is the reason why they take a lot of time to solve. The right approach they don't know. उसके लिए 15 shortcut methods we have developed. वो 15 shortcut methods use करके will be teaching you. This is a most updated course. Latest June 2024 questions also we will be discussing topic by topic. And ये course join किया तो you don't have to refer any other material for general aptitude. We will be providing classes, we will be providing study materials, we will be providing practice worksheets, mock test, doubt clearance sessions, everything is there in this course. और speed maths का session भी होगा ये course में. And our unique flashcards will help you to revise all the concept before the exam. I will be teaching you with the flashcards so that before exam you can revise it with the flashcards itself. And this is a course that helped more than 2 lakh CSIR-NET aspirants in the last 10 years, because in different platforms I am teaching general aptitude section or complete courses for the last 10 years. So इसके साथ ये सारा online study materials भी available है, और doubt clearance also. For that we have, after every session or in the class itself, you can ask the doubt live using the raise hand feature, where you can use the chat or the audio to ask the doubts. और dedicated live doubt clearing sessions भी होगा, and you will be part of an exclusive Telegram and WhatsApp group where you can post your doubts, and your friends also will as a study group itself you can learn with your friends who are part of this course. So ये live course का timing September 9 to December 15 है, मतलब दिसंबर में एग्जाम हुआ तो भी ये कोर्स उसके पहले कंप्लीट होगा. We don't know when will be the exam, because last exam got postponed by 1 month, so accordingly maybe upcoming exam also the date may be affected by that. That is why this course is for the upcoming exam mainly, so definitely the course will be completed before your exam, there is no doubt in that. Or आप repeatedly recorded videos देखना है तो that is also available throughout your subscription period. You can watch the recording any number of times, and after every class recorded videos of that particular class will be updated in 1 hour or 2 hour time. So class was started 2 days back, but that 2 lectures you can watch as recording, and upcoming lectures you can watch as live itself 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And this is the first batch. October also will be starting batch, but this is the course, this is the batch where you get more time to learn. In a relaxed manner you can learn. So I invite all of you to be part of this course. And ये course का full schedule is given here. 60 lectures, these are the 60 lectures. इसके साथ extra 6 doubt clearing sessions भी होगा for your complete general aptitude learning. And our courses, whether it is NET exam course or GATE exam course, now you can access it in laptop also, you can access it in mobile also. Mobile app name is Christy's Classes, website name is christysclasses.in. If you have any doubt, you can contact us in this number or in our website. So check the description of the video for all information, and we are giving it, this is the launch price of the course, but as per Teachers Day celebration and now Ganesh Chaturthi celebration, we have introduced a new coupon called Festival 25. Festival 25 apply kiya to you can get it at almost very less price, including live class, recording, study materials, and the internet handling charge, GST, etc. Everything added. This is the price you have to pay for the complete course. These are some of the reviews of the previous students who have attended similar courses in the last few years. So we all welcome you, we welcome all of you to be part of this course so that you can learn general aptitude well, and minimum time you can score maximum marks. So CSIR-NET course, GATE course दोनों available है. CSIR-NET का course 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and GATE course 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. And if you are joining both the courses together, there are combo subscription offers also. So do let me know if you want to do contact us if you want both the courses together. We will tell you the process how to get the maximum discount if you are planning to join both the courses together. Okay, so these are the 15 unique shortcut methods we will be training you in our courses also. So that is the introduction. Those of you cannot afford the course, or those of you cannot join the course, in YouTube itself we have given a lot of playlists for different exam, whether it is UPSC exam, civil service exam, or GATE exam, NET exam, speed maths. On all these we have given enough videos. So subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the upcoming updates also from this channel whenever we go for a new free live class. Okay, so let us start today's session. Physical science and earth science are the same aptitude paper. वो question paper से हम शुरू कर रहा है. This is the first question we are discussing. Please try the question and post the answer. 2 minutes to try for each question. उसके बाद explanation शुरू करेगा. Any answers? Okay, so this is a simple counting question. Fundamental principle of counting या manual counting दोनों use करके कर सकता है. Manual counting itself is enough if you understand the pattern properly. So let us understand what is the pattern in which this is proceeding. How many 3-digit numbers exist whose first and last digit add up to 9? मतलब middle digit कुछ भी हो सकता है, but first digit और last digit add किया तो 9 मिलना चाहिए. 9 मिलना चाहिए मतलब how all you can get 9 digits होना चाहिए. Digits means first digit 0 नहीं हो सकता है ना. First digit cannot be 0. First digit cannot be 0. So first digit being 1, last digit being what? 8. 1 8 is a possibility. So middle digit का अभी 10 possibilities है ना. 0 to 9, 108, 118, 128, all these numbers up to 198. All these numbers satisfy the condition given in the question ना. Condition क्या है? First digit last digit ऐड किया तो 9 मिलना चाहिए. Middle digit के बारे में कोई constraint नहीं दिया है. So 0 to 9 any of the digits are possible. So 0 to 9 means 10 possibilities are there. 108 up to 198. Similarly 2 से शुरू किया तो 2 and the last digit should be 7. So that 2 plus 7 is 9. So middle digit क्या हो सकता है? 207, 218, 217 up to 297. That is 10 more digits. Similarly 306 because 3 plus 6 is 9. 316 up to 396. Similarly 405 up to, I will write the combination. 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 5 and 5 plus 4 are different. 405 and 504 are different 3-digit numbers. Na? Here order matters. 504, 6 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 8 plus 1. All these are possible. And finally there is 9 plus 0 also. 9 plus 0 is possible because last digit can be 0. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 possibility means for all those 9 possibility 10 middle digits are possible. 405 up to 495. Up to 900 up to 990. So that is why total there are 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 9 times 10, 90 numbers. और 90 numbers को पूरा लिखना possible नहीं है या उतना time waste नहीं कर सकता. 100 तो place में 0 हो गया तो how that is a 3-digit number Nahid? For example, if I write the number 019, is it a 3-digit number? This is 19. 019 लिखा तो अभी that is just 19. 19 is a 2-digit number. We need 3-digit number. That is why 0 cannot be in the hundreds place. Clear? Simple question in my opinion. So then 1 second, I'll show you another comparatively easier question. Try this question, all of you. Number system question. Okay, some of you got an answer. Let's see whether it is correct. So this question, what is the idea? Test of divisibility idea. If you have the idea of test of divisibility, a question बहुत ही simple है. In school, you have learned test of divisibility, na? How to check whether a number is divisible by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. This idea is enough to finish this question. Yeah, here 9 के divisibility के बारे में पूछा है. Because question is saying that 32xy6 is divisible by 9, x and y being even decimal digits. Decimal digits means digits in decimal number system. 0 to 9, any digits are okay. But when will be 32xy6 divisible by 9? For a number to be divisible by 9, its sum of digits should be divisible by 9. For example, 729, 7 plus 2 plus 9 is 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So 729 is also divisible by 9. That means 3 plus 2 plus x plus y plus 6 should be divisible by 9. 3 plus 2 plus x plus y plus 6, simplifying you will get 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6. X plus y plus 11 divisible by 9 or multiple of 9. Divisible by 9 means another way of telling us multiple of 9. Now if you look at it, x plus y क्या हो सकता है? 11 plus what is 9 का multiple? 7 plus 11, 18, multiple of 9 ना. But there comes a problem. हमें x का value चाहिए. x and y दोनों even decimal digits है. Even decimal digits means 0 or 2 or 6 or 8 or 4 or 6 or 8. These are the only even decimal digits. Even decimal digits. But दो even digits add किया तो odd number नहीं मिलेगा. Even plus even is odd. Another flashcard I have given on this also. So 2 plus 2 4 है. 4 plus 4 8 है. या 4 plus 6 10 है. 2 plus 4 6 है. You cannot get an odd number by adding two even numbers. Question says x and y are even, so x plus y is even plus even only. Means this 7 is wrong. 7 is wrong means what is the meaning? Question is wrong? No. There is one more possibility or more possibilities. Na? 9 का multiple 18 is not the only multiple of 9. What about 27? 27 मिलने के लिए 11 का साथ क्या add करना है? What should be added to 11 to make it 27? 16. Yeah, 16 is an even number. 16 मिलने के लिए क्या possibility है? This 8 and 8 दो बार 8 add कर सकता है. Question didn't say x and y are different. Question x and y can be same also. So what if x plus y is 16? Then x and y both being 8. X and y both being 8. In this case, the question is satisfied. So x का value 8 होना चाहिए. So 8 is the answer. How many of you understood this? Easy question. Now if you use the right approach, so that is how to solve that question. Then try this question, ranking and ordering question. For the new students, today we discussed ranking ordering in our complete course. So those of you want full-length training from me, join our complete course. All these topics we are discussing in detail, and the flashcards I am showing, with that flashcards I will be explaining, so that before exam you can just quickly go through the flashcards so that you will remember all the theory I have taught in the class. So this is a very simple question if you use the right approach. So try this, all of you. Some of you got an answer, all of you try. Okay, I'll explain. Among A, B, C, D, E, F, D is taller than B but shorter than F. So let us represent it. So D is taller than B, D above B, but shorter than F. So D below F. So these keywords, if you understand, it is very simple. If it is but, that refers to the former or the first person. If it is who, that refers to the latter, that is a second person. Some people, this is a very basic confusion they have. But also and also means the same itself. So D is taller than F, but D is shorter than F. That is a meaning. So this is the diagram. E is taller than B. E is taller than B means now there is a confusion. Taller than B means E can be here also, here also, here also. That is called variable rank. E ka rank variable hai according to this data. So you have to read further. But shorter than C. So E is shorter than C. Still, C is a new person. Where you will place E and B, sorry, E and C, that's a confusion. That is where, as you don't know, E will be here or here or here, that is why you have to branch this reality. We already understood B less than D less than F. Now, E is taller than B means B is shorter than E. So I will draw another branch where B is below E. ये branch में B below E है, but shorter than C means but the first person E is shorter than C. E shorter than C. So मतलब F greater than D greater than B, C greater than E greater than B. But F and D, E and C से क्या comparison है? We don't know now. We don't know the comparison between F and C or F and D or D and C or D and D. B, about B we have more information. Now finally, B is not the shortest of all means at least one person is below B. At least one person is below B. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We already represented 5 people. In that 4 people are above B. So the only one remaining person is A. A is the only person who is not in the picture. Na? So A should be below B. And thereby A is the shortest person. Question is asking A is what? A is the shortest of all. So very simple. Na? If you use the right diagram, visual method is the best method in these kinds of question. Visual method use किया तो बहुत ही simple होगा ये question. ये sequential ordering section का question है in ranking and ordering. Thank you Shivani. Then we'll try to see similar ones. Actually in this chapter, in this class, we are trying to discuss those questions which can be completed faster because 1 hour 15 minutes only we have for this session. So in that time we will try to cover maximum questions. Okay, data interpretation, we will see one question. This is similar to one of the previous year question which was asked in November 2020. I'm analyzing CSIR-NET question papers for the last 13 years because 2012 onwards the new question paper pattern came. From then till 2024, how the trend have changed. According to that, our course is also designed. So try this question all of you. Data interpretation bar chart का question है. Any answers? Little time consuming question, but if you know speed maths, you can do this question faster. You can do better estimation, better comparisons. Okay, some of you got an answer. Let's see whether it is correct. Areas and population of 4 states S1, S2, S3, S4 are shown. Their arrangement in decreasing order of population density. Population density means what? Population divided by area, na? Population divided by area. Population is given in this bar chart.
Some of you got an answer. Let's see.
Area is given in this graph. So ये दोनों graph compare किया तो population density मिलेगा. For example, S1 population is 100 and 150 in between. If you look at the value, you can get it like it is 110 roughly. And this is 300 above, almost 300. So I will just take 300. So in the case of S1, the population density is population 110 divided by 300. All of you are getting? S2 population is half of 50 or less than half of 50 we can say. So that is maybe 20-25 range. So I am roughly taking 20 divided by, ये देखिए 100 above. 100 above means S2 it will be 100 and 200 in between. So it is almost 120. Yeah, it is little more than 20 here, 20-25 range. You take 20 or 25, it's okay because the options are actually easy here. I mean the comparison. S3 देखिए, S3 का situation क्या है? Population in millions कितना है? 50 और 100 के बीच में almost 70 होगा, 70, and this is almost 120 ही होगा, 70 by 120. And this is population almost 90 and area is almost 90. S3 and S4 is 90 by 90. ये S4 से मैं शुरू कर रहा है. 90 by 90 means 1 ना, और percentage wise speaking 100%. Percentage बताया तो. I am telling percentage just for understanding. यहाँ पे percentage नहीं, वो fraction ही चाहिए. Fraction में 1 होगा, full होगा. ये तीनों वैल्यू 1 से कम है ना फ्रैक्शन में. या फ्रैक्शन का अंडरस्टैंडिंग, आई विल ऑलवेज से इफ यू कैन लर्न 1/2 up to 1/11, that will help you in many chapter, whether it is profit loss discount, simple interest, compound interest, algebra, this data interpretation, all this chapter, this flashcard will help you. So comparison किया तो बहुत ही easy है. So S4 is the largest, that is for sure. Because no other value is 100%. 70 by 120 100 से कम है ना, 20 by 120 100 से कम है ना, 110 by 300 100 से कम है ना. So S4 decreasing order means S4 should be first. अभी elimination use करिए. S4 first वाला कितना options है? S4 first वाला 2 options है, बाकी 2 options eliminated है. Now second one S3 है या S1 है? S3 S1 को compare करिए, ऐसा eliminate करना best है. 110 by 300, 70 by 120. This is where again your fraction comparison. 70 by 120 means 7 by 12 na. 6 by 12 is half. So 7 by 12 is more than half. Are you getting the logic? 6 by 12 आधा है. So 7 by 12 आधा से ज़्यादा है. But 110 by 300 means 11 by 30. 30 का आधा 15 है. 11 उससे भी छोटा है ना. So this is less than half. This is more than half. So clearly more than half is bigger. So S1 and S3 में S3 bigger है S1 से भी compare किया तो. So option C gone. 3 options gone. Don't waste your time on remaining options or remaining graphs exact value. No. These estimation and approximation skills if you have, you can score a lot in aptitude. As I told, in our complete course, that is what we mainly do. How to do faster, how to develop problem solving skills, how to do time management properly, and also the speed maths which will help you to do calculations faster. Because all these things, if you have virtual calculator also, entering all these things will take more time. उससे भी fast कर सकता है, just looking at the graph. Even writing this is also not necessary. If you practice well, looking at the size of the bar itself, you can tell that. But if I just tell that without theory now, you will get more confused. That is why that I am sparing for the detailed lectures. But What I am saying is writing these values also is not necessary if you can carefully analyze the bars and directly answer. That will save even more time. And next question, probability chapter say yes, same model wala question, all the subjects had one such question. यहाँ पे birds का selection के बारे में है. Another, I think life science paper में the length is between 3 to 4, 2 to 3. वो question और ये question बहुत ही same question ही है. And yesterday we discussed in chemical science paper there was another same type question. Situation different है, but what you need to do is exactly same. Even the answer is also, two of these questions, the answer is also dicto same. That is why I am saying all subject ka aptitude papers practice kariye. That is the best way to start your preparation. Download previous year questions and discuss. In our course, you will be getting study material itself where you get topic-wise practice material, topic-wise PYQs, topic-wise practice questions, topic-wise class notes, etc. So try this question, all of you. The answers. So those of you attended my yesterday's YouTube live, I have explained the theory of this. I mean these kinds of question, and in day before yesterday or 2 days back YouTube live also. As I told, this is a repetition of a question. The same logic question was asked in other subject papers also in June 2024 itself. So listen very carefully. A large number of birds, half of which belong to species A and other half belong to species B. Any answers? Yes, some of you got an answer, I guess. So, just a minute. So, half of it belong to species A and half of it belong to species B. Rest on a tree where they are distributed randomly across the branches. In a random sample of 5 birds from the tree, what is the probability that at least one is from species A? At least one is from species A. First of all, what is the probability that when a random bird is caught, that is species A? Half, na? For example, if it is 100 total birds, 50 are species A, 50 are species B. Means random catch में एक bird को catch किया तो वो species A होने का chance 50/100 आधा होगा, species B होने का chance भी 50/100 आधा होगा ना, because it is half. So probability of catching a species A bird, I am writing in short, probability of catching a species A bird, so in a random sample is 1/2. probability of species B is also 1 by 2. दोनों add किया तो total probability 1. As I have told in previous classes also, all events probability add किया तो 1 मिलना चाहिए always. So half and half add किया तो 1 मिल रहा है. So there is no confusion. Now 5 birds को catch कर रहा है. हमें species A चाहिए कम से कम एक bird. At least one bird should be species A. Minimum one bird. First of all, what all can happen when you catch 5 birds? According to species A and species B, what all can happen? Species A के perspective में सोचा तो maybe none of them are species A. None of the birds are species A. Otherwise, exactly one of the bird is species A. Or 2 birds are species A, 3 birds are species A, 4 birds are species A, 5 birds are species A. Yes, 6 situations can happen. These are the total outcomes possible. ये सारे outcomes का probability add किया तो 1 मिलना चाहिए. Because as I told, all events in a sample space, if you add up, probability will always be 1. But हमारा favorable outcome क्या है? हमें क्या चाहिए इसमें? At least one should be species A. At least one species A means exactly one species A, exactly 2 species A, exactly 3 species A, exactly 4 species A, exactly 5 species A. All these are okay. That means these 5 possibilities are okay. But these 5 probabilities separately finding and adding is very time consuming. इसलिए shortcut method is complement approach. Probability of something not happening is 1 minus probability of that thing happening. Or vice versa, that is probability of something happening is 1 minus probability of that thing not happening. Probability of at least one species, not at least one species A not happening means none of them is species A. वो probability total से कम किया तो आंसर मिलेगा. So 1 minus probability that none of the 5 birds is species A that is caught. That is the shortcut way of doing this question. None of them are species A means all of them are species B. मतलब 1 minus first one species B half, second one species B होने का chance half है, third one भी half है. I will write it here so that it is not overlapping. 1 minus half, 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 half. So half into half into half into half into half. That is 1 minus 1 by 32. 1 minus 1 by 32. 1 minus 1 by 32 is 1 by 31 by 32. वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर है तो 31 by 32 कैलकुलेट कर सकता है, ऐसा मिलेगा. नहीं ये तो अप्रोक्सीमेशन कर सकता है. अगेन लास्ट क्वेश्चन आई टोल्ड यू दिस फ्रैक्शन आइडिया है ना. 1 by 8 is 12.5%. So 1 by 16 is 6.25%. So 1 by 32 is 3.125%. 3.125% 100 से कम करना. 100 minus 3.125 is 96 approximately ना. That is a shortcut way. In our percentage chapter we will discuss more about it. They definitely you can do with binomial distribution, but in my opinion that will take more time. Binomial distribution method is already listed here. But if you follow this complement approach, for explaining I took some time because I was telling you this is the theory. But if you know this complement approach, only step you need to do is 1 minus 1 by 32 or 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to 5. That will be faster because in binomial distribution you have to identify the p and 1 by p, then you can put it. But that is actually 5 different situations you have to add up now. Otherwise with binomial distribution you can use complement. Still you are using complement, then directly using complement is better now. So that is what I will suggest you. As I told, this is same question. यहाँ पे bird का sampling के बारे में पूछा है. Chemistry paper में it was, I think a person is getting something or something like that. I forgot the question. Yeah, I think yesterday's question it is here. Compare this and then you will understand how all subjects papers are different. Sorry, similar. Many of the questions. So I'll show you that yesterday's discussion that is already there in this channel. Check out the other videos in this channel where I have discussed about all other subjects question paper. This is the last lecture in the series. Previous 4 lectures you can already watch in this channel. So this probability ka question, other papers may be similar questions aaya tha. I'll show you one of such similar question so that this comparison will help you to learn more also. and that will inspire you to practice more previous year questions. Yeah, this one is another similar one. Yeah, this is little different. First question, Ajandana. Okay, I forgot which was the question starting. I think that slide got misplaced. There was a question. This is one extension of what we just discussed. Then this was also somewhat similar to that, but exact same two questions were there. Let me see whether I can find it. Yeah, even this one is also a simpler version of what we just discussed. Heads greater than tails. This also we have discussed. Okay, I'm not able to find that particular question. I think that got deleted also. Anyway, if I find it, I will add it in the slide so that you can get that comparison. Anyway, those of you watch the previous videos, I think you remember it. Yeah, this one was one of it. This one, look at this. This was either in life science or in chemical science, I forgot. So here, previous question, it was catching of birds. Now here it is catching of fish. Size of the fish 2 to 4 के बीच में. So 2 to 4 के बीच में means 3 or more means 3 to 4, 2 to 3. So ये भी आधा है, ये भी आधा है. Just like species A probability was half, species B probability was half. And 5 catch itself. In this question also it is 5 catch itself. So the answer was also dicto same itself. Answer being dicto same, that is a what we can say. Mother of all coincidences, we can say. That may not happen all the time, but the concept is just a repetition concept. Many a times CSIR does this. One subject's concept question repeated in another subject. One more question was there. If I get find that, I will add in the slide so that you can refer it. So anyway, coming back to, let us discuss 4, 5, 3 or 4 questions at least more. So even this one also, this was another similar one. This was in one of the other papers. Here also at least one of them having brown colored eyes. Here sampling was for 4 individuals instead of 5 in the previous question. But the logic is exactly same. Half nahi 30%. So 3 by 10 hoga 1 by 2 ke jagah. 3 by 10 and 7 by 10. And same process itself. And this was not only asked in 2024, 2020 में इसका एक same dicto same question पूछा था. That was like a person winning probability is 2 by 3 or something. So losing probability is remaining. So what is the probability that at least 4 matches में at least 1 match में win करेगा? And in GATE exam there was another similar question. Chocolates taking from 10 bags. What is the probability that at least at least 2 chocolates are similar, something like that. So what I am trying to say is, those of you are preparing for upcoming exam, these kinds of probability questions are very common. Okay, try the next question. ये भी previous एक question का repetition था. If I am remembering it right, 2016 में एक question ऐसा था. 2022 में इसका एक similar question भी था. Any answers? Please try. Okay, due to lack of time, I will start explaining. So the question says a patient requires administration of 500 ml of an IV fluid or intravenous fluid in 1 hour. What is the approximate drip rate? Again, these kinds of question to start from the units. Drip rate means what? That is explained in the bracket. Number of drops per minute. उसको logically understand करिए. Number of drops per minute means 1 minute में कितना drops देना है, कितना मिलीलीटर नहीं, कितना drops देना है 1 minute में कितना drops. So but ये hour में दिया है ना, यहाँ पे 1 minutes में कितना drops और volume of a drop is given 0.05 ml, but ml में नहीं चाहिए हमें और ये मिलीलीटर में दिया है. हमें मिलीलीटर में नहीं चाहिए, हमें ड्रॉप्स में चाहिए बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ ड्रॉप्स पर मिनट है ना. सो ये 500 ml को ड्रॉप्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 1 मिनट में कितना ड्रॉप्स और आवर को मिनट में कन्वर्ट करना है. दीज टू कन्वर्शंस वी नीड टू डू. आवर को कैसा मिनट में कन्वर्ट करेगा? 1 hour is 60 minutes, all of you know. Now what is 500 ml in drops? Question says that 1 drop is 0.05 ml. 1 drop is 0.05 ml. So 500 ml कितना ड्रॉप्स होगा? यूनिटरी मेथड चाहिए तो यूनिटरी मेथड कर सकता है. 1 ड्रॉप 0.05 ml है तो 1 ml 1 by 0.05 ड्रॉप्स होगा ना, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग 1 ml 1 ml 1 by 0.05 ड्रॉप्स है तो 500 ml कितना होगा? 500 by 0.05 ड्रॉप्स होगा ना. सो 500 ml को मैं कन्वर्ट किया ड्रॉप्स में 500 by 0.05 करके. इज दैट क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? 500 by 0.05 if you want to you can simplify there itself. 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 0.05 can be avoided. That is 50,000 by 5. 50,000 by 5 means 10,000 drops. Now it makes more sense. 10,000 drops देना है 1 hour में या 60 minutes में. 1 hour में 10,000 drops means 1 minute में कितना drops? That is the question. 1 hour में 10,000 drops. 500 ml को drop में convert किया तो 10,000 drops मिला. Now read the question again. It will make more practical sense. A patient requires 10,000 drops in 1 hour or 60 minutes. But question is asking 1 minute में कितना drops चाहिए? X drops चाहिए. So 60 minutes में 10,000 drops means 1 minute में 10,000 by 60 drops चाहिए ना. Because 1 minute is just 1 by 60th of 1 hour. So this you have to simplify. I have elaborated it just to make you understand. And 1000 by 6 also, again I am telling you, if you know speed maths, you don't need virtual calculator in most of the case. Those of you know 1 by 6 is 16.66. 1 by 6 is 16.66 means 10 by 6 is 10 by 6 is 166 percentage, or 1000 by 6 is 166 itself, 166.66 itself. Percentage means conversion to decimal, it will be 0.166. 1 by 6 is 0.166. So 1000 by 6 is 166. Again, if you are not at all understanding that idea, forget it. use your normal division, short division, long division, or you do your virtual calculator division. Anyway, you will get 166.666666. That is 167 approximately. Approximate pucha hai na. All of you clear? Please respond. It's more about understanding the meaning of the question, and that is what I tried to explain. Yeah, I could have just told the answer is like in school days, we have by-hearted steps. I could have told that answer is 500 by 0.05 into 1 by 60. That will be the answer. But what is 500, what is 0.05, what is 1 by 60, you will not understand. That's why I elaborated it one by one logically. Is it completely clear? Please respond. Then try the next question, percentage based question, algebraic question. All of you try. Hello, sorry, I think it was muted. So this question is very simple if you use the right approach. Elimination method se bhi kar sakta hai, but direct method may be little more faster here. So I will explain. Question says that total 70 students are there. Finally, question is asking number of boys in the class. So let X be the required unknown. I will assume let X be the required unknown.
I think it was muted.
That means boys number I will assume X. So girls number will be what? 70 minus X we can say, because total is 70 na? Total is 70. Now read the question with respect to this X and 70 minus X. It will be very easy. 20% of girls. Girls number is 70 minus X. So 20% of, or 20 by 100 into 70 minus X. Plus boys number is X. 40% of them. 40% of boys number X. These are the people who wear spectacles. Na? Girls 20% have 70 minus X VR spectacles. Boys 40% have X VR spectacles.
और 20 by 100 into
ये दोनों ऐड किया तो total number of people who wear spectacles मिलेगा. Girls who wear spectacles plus boys who wear spectacles will make total number of people who wear spectacles, that is equal to 23. One equation, one unknown. You can just solve it now, or you can put the options into this equation and see which option satisfies. But cross multiplying and simplifying will be easy. 40% means 40 by 100. So I will take this 100 common and cross multiply and then open up the bracket. 70 into 20, 1400 minus 20 into x, 20x plus 40 into x. 100 in the denominator, I have taken it common and cross multiplied it with 23. 23 into 100. That is 1400 minus 20x plus 40x is plus 20x equal to 2300. So 20x is equal to 2300 minus 1400, that is 900. So x is equal to 900 by 20. 900 by 20 means 45. So option A, 45 is the answer. Sabko clear hai ye? Please respond. So if you use the right approach, it is a easy question. Then try this question. Okay, some of you got an answer. Here a percentage understanding, if it is good, this question can be done faster. Even with compound interest formula you can do, but that is very time consuming, waste of time. Don't do that. A population of town is increasing at a uniform rate. When something is increasing at a uniform rate, that is called compounding idea. Compounding idea or compound interest is also having the same idea. If its population was 90,000 and 96,000 in 2022 and 2023. So 90,000 in 2022 96,000 in 2023. So your basic understanding of percentage, all the percentage related situation I have summarized into these major scenarios, almost 6 scenarios. All the questions, whether it is simple interest, compound interest, successive discount, successive increment, profit percent, loss percent, discount percent, all of them are one of these scenarios. If you identify that scenarios, all these chapters are also easy. So here 90,000 becomes 96,000. So X is becoming Y. How much percentage increase? X is becoming Y. So how much percentage increase? Or we can say X is how much percent greater than Y, or Y is how much greater than X, how much percent greater than X. Here Y is 96,000. That is how much percent greater than 90,000. That is the scenario we have to deal with. इसके लिए some people use formula final value minus initial value by initial value into 100. That is also same only, but that is taking time. Instead of that, directly say 90,000 become 96,000 means increase is of 6,000. वो 6,000 इनिशियल वैल्यू का कितना फ्रैक्शन है या कितना परसेंटेज है? 6,000 90,000 का कितना है? 6/90 1/15 देना, मतलब 1/15 इंक्रीज होना चाहिए. 1/15 उसके लिए 1/20 सॉरी 1/3 एंड 1/5 का प्रोडक्ट है. 1/5 is 20%, 1/3 is 1/3 is 33.33%. So 33.33% of 20%, ऐसा करके परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करके कर सकता है. But those of you are not familiar with this percentage fraction comparison idea, don't try that. This 1/15, keep it 1/15 itself. As it is uniform rate, 2024 में क्या होगा? ये 96,000 का 1/15 96,000 के साथ ऐड करना पड़ेगा. That will be the answer. So what is 1/15 of 96,000? Yeah, paper math या normal math या virtual calculator, you divide it and find it. 90 is 6 times, so 60 is 4 times, 6,400. Means here 6,000 increase, but now 6,400 increase because percentage wise it is uniform. That is the meaning of uniform rate, not value wise. That is called simple interest concept. If you do that, you may get option A, which is a totally wrong answer. 6,000 again 6,000. No, again 6,000 नहीं. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट में है तो ऐसा है, कॉम्पाउंड इंटरेस्ट में भी इंटरेस्ट जनरेट हो जाता है. सो 6,000 उस पे भी इंटरेस्ट. सो 6,400 ऐड किया तो क्या मिलेगा? 102,400 मिलेगा. 102,400 ऑप्शन बी. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? प्लीज रेस्पॉन्ड. Or if you want, you can use this formula, but that is complete waste of time because just 2 iterations are there. Why complicate it with formula? Then try the next one. Imagine this situation, then this question is easy. If that imagination is difficult, then this question is difficult also. Reminding once again, as we are starting the new course today 8 p.m. we are starting the new complete course for GATE General Aptitude. The latest batch we are starting from today. If you are joining today, you won't miss any of the live lectures. And 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. for 60 lectures and plus 6 doubt clearing session plus 6 study materials. Everything is included in this course. Check the description of the video for joining the course. There's a special discount also running as we are starting the course from today. So, and also CSIR-NET ka course we started 2 days back. That also you can join. Timing of the course is 10 a.m. In case you cannot attend live, uska recorded version be available hai that you can check out. You need more information, check the bottom left of the screen where you can see the mobile app, Telegram channel, YouTube channel name and the WhatsApp group. That number given, in that number you can contact for more information of the course also. Okay, due to lack of time I will start explaining. I will make you understand with a smaller example, then you will understand what happens here. Here the question says an egg tray has 30 cavities. Yeah, look at this image for more clarity. This is what the question is saying. Eggs are kept on cavity like this, na? Holes like this. Okay, I will come back to that picture. Before that, 5 row and 6 column ke jagah 2 row and 3 columns hai to. Let us take a smaller example. 2 row 3 columns hai to kya hoga situation? 2 row 3 columns like this. 2 row like this, 3 columns like this. So X should be kept. This thing that these are the cavities. उसके लिए वो support करने वाला we need egg tray has 6 cavities. Each cavity is surrounded by 4 raised corners ना. मतलब ये particular egg के लिए 4 raised corners ऐसा चाहिए. इसके लिए भी 4 चाहिए, but that is shared with these two. इसके लिए भी 4, but that is shared. Here also, here also. So these are the raised corners they are saying. Yeah, to avoid confusion with respect to egg and the raised corners, I will use different color for egg. So this black colored marked ones are X. So the others are the raised corners. So वो raised corners का नंबर कितना है? ये 2/3 वाला सिस्टम में raised corner का नंबर ये देखिए 1 2 3 रो वाइज 3 कॉलम वाइज 1 2 3 4 that means 3 into 4 है 3 row and 4 columns 2 row and 2 columns are there X but the raised corners needed will be total 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. Are you understanding why 2 plus 1? Simply speaking, how you form a table, that same idea. For example, 2/3 table form करने के लिए table में 2 row, this is 1 row, this is second row, और 3 columns है तो lines का number कितना होगा? Horizontally 1 2 3 3 lines, vertically 4 lines. 2 rows के लिए 2 lines नहीं 2 plus 1 lines. 3 columns के लिए 3 lines नहीं 3 plus 1 lines. Same thing. That line number itself will be the raised corner number. ये idea समझ में आया? मतलब generally m rows and n columns है तो m plus 1 and n plus 1 होगा. उसका product होगा final answer. 2 and 3 के लिए 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So now tell me the answer for 5 row and 6 columns. 5 plus 1 into 6 plus 1. That is 6 into 7, 42. Those of you are confused, look at this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. और vice versa. So 5/6 system है. इसमें देखिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 है. 5x के लिए 6 and ये 6x के लिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 6x के लिए 6 plus 1. So that is why 5 plus 1 into 6 plus 1 42. Clear? Please respond. Q42 answer है. So then try this question. Okay, due to lack of time, I will start explaining here. Tabulating the data, then you will get a clarity, because here there are many things. If you don't tabulate, you can get confused. So row wise, I will write the gender of the people, men and women. Men and women. And column wise and total number of people. Column wise there are three category. Variable क्या है? दूसरा variable क्या है? The voting they have done, whether they have voted against or voted in favor, or third category abstain means didn't vote. They didn't vote at all. So there are three category: voted in favor or voted for, we can say. Second is voted against. And third is not voted or abstained. Abstain means not voted. So और उसके बाद total. Now fill the table, you will get clarity. 7,000 participants total था, मतलब total will be 7,000. Total sample space is 7,000. Among the participants, 3,600 were women. So total women total is 3,600. So बाकी men होना चाहिए ना. 7,000 minus 3,600, 3,400 will be the total men. इतना clear है all of you? Please respond. Now what else is given? Yeah, second sentence you have to read correctly, then only you will understand it. Otherwise you can get a wrong answer also. 2,900 participants. What participants? That you will understand fully when you read it. Of whom 1,300 were women. Okay. Voted against while 3,000 participants voted in favor. So this one I will first represent. 3,000 total voted in favor. So for total for this or in favor is 3,000. 3,000 favor में vote किया. अभी ये 2,900 क्या है? Voted against 2,900 participants है, उसमें से 1,300 women है. That is the meaning of it. So voted against का total है 2,900, उसमें से 1,300 women है, मतलब voted against का women number will be 1,300. Is this clear? Women who voted against this. Women who voted against this means men who voted against this will be 2,900 minus 1,300 ना, 1,600 हो गया. 1,600 हो गया. Now the next sentence is 400 women abstained. So women who didn't vote is 400. ये 400 होगा. Women who abstained 400. Now finally question is asking ratio of number of men that did not vote or number of men who abstained. उसके लिए ये देखिए, अभी एक सुडोकू गेम जैसा कंडक्ट कर सकता है यहाँ. ये 7,000 is sum of this and this ना. So ये वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए 3,000 2,900 ऐड करके 7,000 से कम करना काफी है. 3,000 and 2,900 added 5,900. 7,000 minus 5,900 is 1,100. So total abstained is 1,100. उसमें women 400 है, तो बाकी 700 men है ना. Question is asking number of men who abstained or did not vote. That is 700 to the total number of participants. That is 7,000. 700 by 7,000. That is 1 by 10 na. 1 by 10. So option C is the correct answer. If you analyze it properly, it is a doable question. Otherwise, it takes too much time. You don't analyze it properly. Is it clear, all of you? Please respond. So in this lecture, we were trying to discuss the most important or most variety questions as possible. But if you want full solution of all questions, you are welcome to be part of our complete course for CSIR-NET. The good thing about the paid courses, it is more structured, ordered and syllabus covering. और वो routine maintain हो जाता है because daily you are attending at a particular time. So a habit will be formed that will help you to learn general aptitude better. Otherwise, lack of motivation is the biggest thing many people suffer when they prepare general aptitude. They will prepare general aptitude for 1 day or 2 days. After that, they are getting stuck at a question, then not able to continue the preparation properly. But here I will be guiding you for the next 6 months, how to prepare for general aptitude, what all things you should do, how to develop your problem solving skills, how to manage time. And with our materials, every day after the class you will be given worksheets of the class. वो worksheets practice किया तो extra practice भी हो जाएगा. तो सारा topics इसमें covered होगा, सारा streams के लिए ये course common भी है. और whether you prefer English or Hindi, ये course में दोनों का mix होगा. Just like this YouTube video, if you understood this YouTube video, same way English and Hindi mixed will be the course also. And the full schedule, 60 lectures are there live, and उसके साथ 6 doubt clearing session, that is 66 total lectures, and recordings will be available after the class. So those of you who watch this YouTube live, please let me know what you felt about this session. If you comment on this video, that will help YouTube also to know that this video was useful, and others also will know. And at least hit the like button, because YouTube algorithm identifies that like means a person or more people are interacting, so this video should be shared to others. So if you think that this video, if it is shared to others, it will help them, please support this initiative. And if you want more such free classes, I also need a motivation that more people join the YouTube live session, because as I have told previous classes also, now I am too much occupied with too many courses parallelly running. CSIR-NET course at morning, GATE course at evening, and I am teaching also for civil service exam. So that courses in other institutes are also running, and we are planning to start a UPSC course or civil service course in the upcoming months. With all these things, managing time for YouTube classes is the biggest challenge I am facing now, but I will try to accommodate few hours for the YouTube live if more people are joining. Otherwise, you can watch the recorded videos in this channel. That itself, there are almost 800 videos in this channel itself. And in other channels also I have posted. So 1000+ videos you can find of mine. If you just Google my name, Christy Varghese General Aptitude Lectures, you can find the videos I have posted in other channels also for extra learning. So that's it. Welcome all of you to be part of this complete course. CSIR का भी course है, GATE का भी course है. And if you want to join both, you can contact us. There is a combo course that we are planning to. There is some technical error by which we are not able to start the combo course yet, but now if you want to take it as a combo, both the courses, you can contact us. There is a combo discount by which you can get both the course together also, or separately. If you want, today 8 PM we are starting the new complete course for GATE, and CSIR-NET course we have started already. That course also, the missed lectures, 2 or 3 missed lectures you can watch us recording, and बाकी सारा classes live ही attend कर सकता है. So that's it. Those of you are watching me recorded or live, do let me know in the comment section what you felt about the session, and also do comment on the video, do share it to your maximum friends, and subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any of the upcoming updates from this channel. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good day. See you all on the next class. Bye bye.